Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you are doing fine today. I am Maham Lodi from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Welcome to Revision Lecture 3 of Mathematics for Class 3. The contents of today's lecture are going to be expanded form, predecessor and successor, comparing the numbers, ordering the numbers, and skip counting. Let's start with expanded form of 4 and 5-digit numbers. In order to write the expanded form of a 4 or 5-digit number, there is a rule which says you have to write out a number showing all the parts that make it up. To make you understand it better, we will solve question 1 part 1 on page 14, which requires you to write the number in expanded form. The number is 84,132. We place each digit in its respective column and start writing out the expanded form one by one. The highest number here is in the place 10,000, so 8 will be 80,000. Next number is 4, which will be 4,000. Next number is 1 in the hundreds column, that will be 100. Next number is in the tens column, that is 3, so it will be 30. And the last one is 2 in the ones column, and it will be 2. The final statement, which shows the expanded form of 84,132, is like this. It has all the components added up. Next topic is predecessor and successor. The number that comes just before a particular number is called predecessor, and the predecessor of a number is always one less than that number. However, the number that comes just after another number is called the successor of that particular number, and it will be one more than that number. As an example, let's take 3275. In order to get the predecessor of this number, we need a number that is one less, and that will be 3274. Similarly, for the successor, we need a number that is one more than this number, and it will be 3276. So 3274 will be the predecessor, and 3276 will be the successor. स्टूडेंट्स 4 और 5 डिजिट नंबर्स को अच्छी तरह से समझने के बाद अब आप इस काबिल हैं कि आप दो नंबर्स को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं और बता सकते हैं कि इनमें से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है। लेक्चर 4 और 5 में हमने नंबर्स को कंपेयर करने के लिए रूल सीखे थे। रिमेंबर, यूज less than and greater than symbol to show comparison. Hungry crocodile always goes for the bigger number. इसका मतलब ये होगा कि इस सिंबल का मुंह उस तरफ को खुला होगा जो बिगर नंबर है। The smaller number is placed at the closed corner of the symbol. Start comparing from the largest place value digit. Let's see हमने इन रूल्स को अप्लाई कैसे करना है। On page 19 of your countdown, question 1 says, place greater than or less than symbol in each box. You have to compare the numbers and then place the sign in box. You also have to tell that which digit was actually compared to decide about the symbol. In part C, 9004 is compared with 8004. अब यहाँ पे हमने डिसाइड करना है कि ये दोनों में से कौन सा बिगर है और कौन सा स्मॉलर है। जो बिगर होगा उस तरफ उस सिंबल का मुंह खुला हुआ होगा। अंडरलाइन डिजिट्स को कंपेयर किया जाएगा। 9000 is bigger then 8,000. So by comparing the thousands place digit, we placed this symbol. In the next part, 6,249 is compared with 6,549. यहाँ पे underline digit hundreds place पर है. hundreds place के digit की वजह से हम ये decide करेंगे कि इनमें से कौन सा number bigger है और कौन सा smaller है. You can do the other ones yourself. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम नंबर्स को कंपेयर करना सीख लेते हैं तो हम उन्हें अरेंज भी बहुत आसानी से कर लेते हैं. अब नंबर्स को असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया जा सकता है एंड द टॉपिक विल बी ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ नंबर्स. ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ नंबर्स में हम नंबर्स को दो तरह से अरेंज करते हैं. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर which includes ordering of numbers from smaller number to bigger number, and the next one is descending order, which is opposite to ascending because it includes arranging the numbers from bigger number to smaller number. Let's do a practice example. Arrange the numbers first in ascending order and then in descending order. फॉर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर हम सबसे छोटे नंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. आपको इन सब नंबर्स में से आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा कि सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है. अब यहाँ पर जो लास्ट पे लिखा हुआ है 53,760, दैट इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सबसे पहले ये नंबर आएगा. इसके बाद इससे बड़ा नंबर दैट विल बी 57,306. उससे बड़ा नंबर 67,036, and the last one 67,603, which is the biggest of all. Descending order इसका opposite होता है जिसमें हम पहले सबसे biggest number को लिखते हैं. तो the first number will be 67,603, उसके बाद 67,036, then 57,306, and lastly the smallest number, which is 53,760. Dear students, the last property of numbers is skip counting. It helps you understand the number patterns, and in coming lessons when you will learn multiplication, it will help you a lot. In lecture 5, we learned these rules of skip counting. The first one is skip counting in tens. While skip counting in tens, ones column stays the same. You have to carefully watch hundreds and thousands column. While skip counting in hundreds, tens and ones column stays the same and you have to carefully watch hundreds and thousands column. And lastly, while skip counting in thousands, hundreds, tens and ones column stays the same. You have to watch only thousands column. On your countdown, on page number 25, all of the questions are about skip counting. We are going to do question 3 part C, which says skip count in hundreds and fill in the missing numbers. अब हमारे पास फर्स्ट नंबर में हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पर 8 है 2800 में, और हंड्रेड्स में स्किप काउंट करना है तो 8 डिजिट चेंज होगा. नेक्स्ट नंबर विल बी 2900 एंड द नेक्स्ट वन विल बी 3000. इससे आगे नंबर आपको गिवन है 3100. अब यहाँ पे भी हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वाला जो डिजिट है उसने चेंज होना है, बाकी सब वैसे ही रहेंगे. So the next number will be 3200 and the last one will be 3300. In our next lecture, we will revise topic addition. You are supposed to revise pages 42, 43 and 44 of your countdown 3 and re-watch regular lecture 6. If you have any queries regarding this lecture, you can comment down below. Thank you.